Hi, here's a short little video I want to make just showing how three-way switching works. I'm going to try to make it really short and simple, just easy to understand. So basically from your panel, you're going to have your two wire go into your first three-way switch right here, and then between your first and second three-way switches you want to run a three-wire cable actually, and from your last three-way switch you want to run a two-wire cable. Now why you have a three-wire cable is basically you have two things called travelers, which are almost like hots, except one of the two of them is on at all times, and then your third wire is your neutral, because you need that from your panel to your light, of course. So yeah, you can see works pretty easy. Another thing I'd like to point out is that this is just one configuration. There's other ways to wire this. I've seen people bring it into the box the light's on first, and then they branch out to either switch, or they go switch light switch. This is just one of many ways you can wire this, and in commercial, obviously, you know, you have a conduit, and you could have other wires going between your switch boxes. It doesn't really matter. The important thing is that you're always going to have a two wire from your panel to your first switch, a three wire between your two three-way switches, and a two wire from your last switch to your light. And also that you're going to have two travelers, one of which is always going to be hot. Thanks.